Alright, welcome everyone. Step 3, another super short step. It's just a matter of putting the spring drive into the assembly. After this we start to get some more structural stuff, so the steps look like they'll get a little bit longer and more complicated, but still, it's, pluses and minuses this way. So, but anyway, like I say, this is the part that I was sort of curious about. What is it like? Oh, there's my problem. Like so. Yeah. I put spring steel, and you can actually see where they heat treated at the end to make it harder and less springy. Make the hook. And then just slide it into that slot that I just missed. Okay, yeah, goes in there. And we put our gear assembly from last time. We thread it onto, see if it'll show up that, get an angle on it. The flat part in the middle. There's a slot there, and we gotta maneuver it into place. Okay, so slot like so. I'm not sure it wouldn't be easier to do before installing it, but they say after. So, okay, well, no, that was easy. Okay, I got it, don't I? Yeah, got it. And then, yeah, just spun out of it. And just slide it down into that peg. Yeah. That's supposed to. Okay, it's just supposed to float there a little bit because that's the key's going to go in there and center it. Yeah, but we got spring action. Cool. Surprised it's that. No, the picture makes it look like that with it all gathered up at the bottom. So that's. Yeah, alright. I hope this works better than the rubber bands on the oil pump I did. It is. Alright, but that's all there is to step 3. So, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, complain, share, do whatever you want to with all that. Be good to one another, stay healthy, and I hope you enjoyed the really short video. See you next time.